If you're looking for 2 dog crates, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 most popular 2 dog crates. Number 1, most popular, by Midwest Homes for Pets. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Midwest Homes for Pets. Number 3, by Petco. For more details about these products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Midwest Homes for Pets. Number 5, by Aspenpet Pet Porter. Find these 2 dog crates at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Nose to Nose. Number 7, by Favorite. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Best Pet. Number 9, by Petmate. Discover more 2 dog crates ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Pet Nation.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.